This week, we will focus on secondary data. Chapter 4 provides an overview of secondary data. Secondary data are defined first, and their advantages, disadvantages, and evaluations are discussed. A classification of secondary data is presented. Internal sources, published external sources, and computerized databases are discussed too. Applications of secondary data in the context of a buying power index and computer mapping are provided in Chapter 4. In contrast to primary data that are collected for a specific research problem, secondary data have been generated for reasons other than the current research problem. The cost, advantage, and speed with which secondary data can be obtained must be weighed against their limited fit to the current research problem and concerns regarding data accuracy. In evaluating secondary data, the research should consider factors such as specifications, error, currency, objectivity, nature, and dependability. Internally generated information can represent a gold mine for a researcher. Any department that touches the final consumers in some way can be a source of valuable market data. The internally generated data can be supplemented with demographic and lifestyle data available from an external source to produce a rich database that can be analyzed via data mining to target consumers via database marketing. External data are generated by sources outside the organization. These data can be obtained from business, government, social media, and syndicated services. General business data can be located using guides, directories, and indices, and also include statistical data. Government sources can be broadly categorized as census data and other data. Internal and external databases yield potentially helpful information. Conducting international research predisposes to problems of data quality, and thus these data should be carefully evaluated. Chapter 5 provides an overview of secondary syndicated data. The usefulness of combining secondary data from different sources is emphasized as well. In addition, this chapter provides an extensive discussion of syndicated services. A focus on international marketing research, social media, ethics, and the Internet is placed at the end of this chapter. Syndicated research firms specialize in designing research systems that collect data of commercial interest to multiple users. Collecting data to serve a non-commercial purpose is one of the primary differentiators when comparing syndicated services to other types of secondary data. Syndicated data are timely and cost-effective, given the need for an impartial monitor of market-wide trends, as well as consumer reactions or behaviors. Syndicated researchers provide a unique and valuable service. Syndicated sources can be classified based on the unit of measurement, households or consumers, or institutions. Syndicated data from households can be obtained via surveys, purchase or media panels, or electronic scanner systems. When institutions are the unit of measurement, the data can be obtained from retailers, wholesalers, or industrial firms. It is desirable to combine information from different sources, resulting in single source data.